What is up, everybody? So check it out. Today we are heading somewhere. Oh, I gotta push these big old tires up here. Whew. Yeah, that's right. Check it out. We are going somewhere. And we're putting some new tires on those. They're gonna be 40s, 40-inch tires. Also, real quick, we're getting new tires on those. So stay tuned. We're gonna put some new tires on and have some fun. So check it out. Stick around for a minute. We're going to head to the Provo Big O tires and we're gonna get them swapped out and put on. All right, folks, so check it out. I got the tires loaded. We are heading to Provo Big O tires and we're gonna put some 40s back on the Suburban. Now, stay tuned because I'm gonna explain what we're doing as far as the 40s and the old tires and all this other stuff. So we are gonna head up there real quick. Check it out. We got the work truck mode here. This F150 is basically turned into what was that, beep? It basically turned into a work truck. So it is now most likely an official work truck for Premier Lawn Services and another tow vehicle for the Scattered Dad LLC. So that we're gonna have to figure out on taxes. We may only be able to write it off on one business, but it's used for both, to be honest, and that's gonna be tricky. So we may just not be able to write it off for Scattered Dad, but we're gonna look into that. So anyways, basically is what we're doing is on this truck, the F150, we're gonna do something a little different, and I'll explain that to you here in just a second. So once we get the tires put on, I'll cut back here and we will explain what we're doing with the tires we chose and also the tires for the Suburban. So stick around. All right, guys, check it out. We are here at the Provo Big O tires. We're gonna get these babies changed out and get those changed out. And we're gonna go in and talk to Colton. He's gonna take care of us. All right, folks, check it out. So I got the tires. I got the tires put on the truck. I got the tires put on the other rims for the Suburban, and life is good. So can't complain. But real quick, while I was there, this is just a reminder for everybody to, be nice. Anyways, I overheard some lady talking about how she forgot her wallet and she needed new tires and blah 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 blah. Long story short, I paid for her tires, and Big O as well gave a discount on top of that for me for doing something nice for somebody else. So anyways, keep that in mind. Do something nice. Buy somebody's drink, buy somebody's meal, just open the door for somebody, just be nice. Anyways, so we got new tires on the blue truck, but we went with a 35-inch tire instead of the 37s. Now, this truck is more of a work truck slash, well, now that we got our other truck, we don't take this long distances anymore. We take the other Ford, the F350. But anyway, so is what I decided was I'm gonna go back to a 35 solely because, it's not gonna be a whole lot better gas mileage, but we do drive this truck way more now than we used to. So dropped down the tire size, and then we added some tire size to the Suburban. So anyways, we're back to 40s. We put 40s back on the Suburban. there we go. So, yes, I'm putting these back on the same rims that were on there before. And I know everyone was saying, oh, get rid of the 20s, blah, 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 blah. Look, these are some great tires. Nito Trail Grapplers. They're good tires. They're not bald this time. The other ones were bald, I admit. These are 40s, so without air, I'm still gonna get some good flex here. Got some good treads on the sidewalls. So yes, it's still gonna be able to crawl just fine. Don't believe me? Stay tuned. Anyways, so like I said, we dropped down tire size on this. It looks a little different. The tires look just a tiny bit smaller. It does have the 6-inch lift, but you know what? We've since went from this truck to this truck. So this is our main truck now, hauls all of our stuff, and it's a long bed, and this is a short bed, and this sucked for trips. So now we got this bad boy. So anyways, we went with a what is it, the Terramax RTs. So stay tuned. So far on the drive home, these were wonderful. So not a lot of noise, but stay tuned. We'll definitely take it out and test them, and longevity wise, we'll see how they are as far as you know. Let's see, those other tires we wore out in about 4 years, so I mean it's gonna be more of a long-term stuff, but I'm pretty sure they're gonna be a great tire. And yeah, so anyways, but once again, why we did this was because this is more of a work truck now, and honestly, I didn't want to spend the money for bigger tires, because let's be honest, I'd rather spend the money on this bad boy. So stay tuned, because we're going to be putting those tires right there back on here. But first things first, I don't like the chrome, so I'm gonna do my Shelly paint job on this thing. So stay tuned, because it's gonna look better when I'm done with it, guaranteed. And there's gonna be no runs. I'm a good spray painter. So anyways, check back in the next video. The next video is when I'll show the install and how much better the Suburban looks with these. I don't know, I was watching some old videos, I just feel like it looks better. I like the looks of that, but to be honest, there was a struggle, and I'll explain this in the other video, but those 16-inch rims, there's not a whole lot of options. So anyways, smile, have a good day, and do something nice for somebody, and just smile every morning when you get up. Just be grateful that you're alive. Anyways, yeah, check back later for another video. Oh, P.S. go check out all my shorts, and check out the links below. Bucked Up, Amazon, and Auxito for the light bulbs. So go buy some light bulbs, LEDs.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way